Federal employees and Americans, have you heard the buzz about a constitutional crisis? Well, let's break down what's going on fast, clear, and in plain English. I'm Sean Southworth, a federal employment attorney, and let me tell you why top legal scholars like Erwin Chemerinsky, right, a big deal, he's got the leading hornbook on con law that most new students are taught, say our country is crossing dangerous lines. Here's the deal. The New York Times is reporting concern in the legal community that President Trump's recent actions like freezing federal agency budgets, revoking birthright citizenship, and ignoring lower court rulings are testing the limits of executive power. Scholars from coast to coast say this isn't just typical politics, right? It's a direct collision with our constitutional safeguards. Remember how Congress controls the purse strings? Well, pretend you learned that, right? That's what we call the power of the purse. You might have learned that in basic civics. It means the president can't just freeze funding or shut down whole agencies on a whim. In fact, that's exactly why we have three co-equal branches, so no single person can push the government past the bounds set by our Constitution. Too much power in one branch's hands is bad for our country. And as someone who helps federal employees navigate these very issues, I see firsthand the confusion and stress it causes. People are worried. Are we still following the rule of law? And of course, yes, we are. EEO cases and MSPB cases are continuing. But here's the bigger issue. Here's what the experts say. When the president openly defies court decisions or tries to sideline entire agencies, he's ignoring the balance that keeps our democracy stable. Erwin Chemerinsky, who's also the dean at Berkeley Law, calls these steps systematically unconstitutional. And these aren't just theoretical arguments. This is real. Real jobs, real families, and real freedoms at stake. So what happens next? We could see judges strike down these moves, maybe all the way up to the Supreme Court. But scholars worry the administration might ignore those rulings too. And that's exactly what many are saying is the true constitutional crisis. Well, he ignored the Supreme Court. The thing is, I have faith because these actions by the administration, I believe, strike many in the legal community as blatantly wrong, bringing us back to fundamental issues we discussed in our very first year constitutional law courses. Yet, protecting our Constitution does mean being aware, knowing that checks and balances aren't just fancy words in a textbook. These are guardrails for our rights. If you're a federal employee, stay informed about what's happening. And if you're watching this as an engaged citizen, share this video. Because once you see a president ignoring the rule of law, we all need to pay attention. So thank you for watching. I'm Sean Southworth, reminding you that real patriotism isn't about siding with a person or a party. It's about defending the principles that hold our country together, that make America this shining city on a hill. So thank you for watching, and let's keep the conversation going. Please share this, comment, and help me get this message out. Thank you.